Hey Aries, how are you? So today I will be doing your reading, which is like how will your this month go, which is like this October month. This is a reading for you. So let me pull out some cards and talk about how your month of October will go. Reading for Aries. Okay. So Aries, I do feel like the October month will start with very fickle minded. Many thoughts will be coming towards you, many ideas, and the first week will be you will be very fickle. You cannot decide what to choose, what not. You will be have lots of going on around, and you have lots to digest in your plate. So that would be the thing going first week. I can see going very hectic and stuff like that. Also, I can see from the second week you start coping up with your situations. You finally deciding upon what would be the right thing to choose. You definitely would have many options, but finally I can see from the second week of October you finally choosing it. You are acting upon it, and you are finally deciding upon which are the path you should take, or what is the choice you should make, and what is the wise choice for you. Finally you are making, and from the third week I can see many good things. Whatever you will be doing, you will be putting more action into your work, more energy, more effort, and finally angel is going to bless you. You will be getting some good news from your angel, and lots of blessings coming towards you. Maybe some wish fulfillment will happen for you, and by the end of the October I can see some good news, authoritative any news. If you are waiting for any promotion and that kind of thing, that is coming to you, or you are waiting for any bonus or pay raise, that is also coming by the end of October. So Aries, overall the month of October will be all of full of opportunities, deciding upon some, taking good decisions and acting upon it, and doing lots of action oriented work, which will result into a very very good will give you very good outcome. I hope you like this reading for October, Aries. If you like it, please share with your friends who are Aries, and I will see you in the next month's video. I love you all. Bye bye. Hey my Leos, how are you? So we will see how this month of October will go for you. So let me pull up from cards from for one card for every week. So we will see what are the things that you are going to get, Leo. For my Leo, I can see lots of passion, and you are going to work on passion and power, prestige, those kind of thing. I'm seeing you are going to focus on your self, self being, or focused on yourself, upgrading yourself, focusing on something which you like to do, or lots of passion, and you get lots of appreciation and everything. Whatever work you're doing right now in month of October, at the first week of October, you're going to get appreciated. You will love doing your work. You will work or take some steps towards your passion and everything, or upgrade yourself, and you will like it. By the second week of October, that I can see, that is Seven of Cups. Like, lots of opportunities and lots of ideas will be running into your mind now that you have gained some good appreciation and everything. Lots of new creativity and creative ideas that would be generated in your mind, and you want to decide upon this, that I can see. Okay, and also I can see for some of you, Leo, are actually getting more option in love life, and you might get confused, and you might juggle upon, try to explore those options and see which is working for you and which is not, which is also a very good thing. Lots of flirty and lots of light energy that I can also see. Also I can see King of Swords, which is like you should put King of Swords. Third week of August, there is a huge chance you might isolate yourself from the other people, because there might be a situation where you need to take a break, because I can see you're working really hard and stuff like that. So you might want to take some break and restart, or rethink something like that I can see. And also for some of you who are really confused between two lovers or two or three options in love life might decide to take some good step or measurements that and I can see you deciding upon something and finally deciding upon that what no whom should you choose, or either you should not choose none of them or something like that, taking some vital decisions in the month of October that I can see. And also for the third of last week of October, I can see lots of communication problem might happen. You should hold your tongue by the end of October, because that might result into you some breakup. If you're in a relationship, please beware, because your words and your action might hurt your partner or the person you in front of you. It might happen you might end up fighting with your partner or your best friend or your friends or people around you, and that might give you some heartbreak. And I hope overall it will be like ups and downs kind of month. It will bring you joy, happiness, appreciation, and also it will bring you a little bittersweet kind of thing. So I hope you like this video. I hope you get some good guidance out of it, and you apply it on your day-to-day life in the month of October. I will see you in next video, Leo. Bye bye. I love you all. Hey Sagittarius, how are you? So this is the month, this is a video for month of October, how your month of October will go. So let's pull out a card for each week for you, Sagittarius. I can see lots of many of you are facing some financial issues, and you're working really hard towards your goal. You have lots of passion. You have to work really hard. You have to work really hard to earn the earnings and everything. And I can see you working for that, which is really good. And you might get some good things out of it. Like if you're working really hard on a project or anything, you might get some good feedback out of it, which is like very good. You can apply it to you. Also I can see in the second week of October you are going to get some pay raise or any bonus or money coming towards you, which is also good. Some of you might get some promotion or something like that, Sagittarius, because you're really working hard and you're morally very correct. You're working in a right direction and right moral with right conscience that I can see. Also these might harm some people around you. They might not take this very lightly. People around you might be get jealous and they might talk about you. And one thing you can do in the third week of October or in mid October, that keep distance from them and let them know that let their not bother you. So keep keep in your mind that you should have it in your mind, and you should working on that. By the end of you should use your finances very wisely, because the money you are getting, you're definitely going to get some more money out of it, but you should not get like overboard with your money, because if you go like that, by the end of October you might feel some shortage of money or anything. So this is the message I can see for you, Sagittarius. So I hope this might give you some more guidance on my more look like few advices for you for month of October. I hope it helps you. Please like and share if you think it resonated with you. So I love you all, Sagittarius. I will see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye. Hey my Cancers, how are you? So this video is about how will your month of October will go. So we will check upon that how you will your month of October will go. Let's check it out. Okay, I will pull one card for each of the week. Let's see how your month of October will go. Okay, I can see you're working really hard, Cancer. That is, I should congratulate you. You're not bothering about what people want to say, they want to talk about you. You're just focused on your work and you're doing it very. You don't look upon others, and you don't look outside the world or inside what's going on around you, and around you. You're just working really hard on that. Also that I can see your in the first month of October, you're going to keep on this page, and you're working, keep doing your work and stuff like that, that nobody can snatch away what you want to achieve. That is what I can see, Cancer, in this second week of October. I can see the like lots of appreciation and upgradation in your work life as well. Also, I can see some reconciliation with your friends and family, that I can also see, and people will be appreciating for your beauty, your charm, and your nature, and your kindness, and the work you put on, and the things you want to offer, your emotions that you offer, Cancer, to the world. And in the month of third week of October, that I can see some good news to related to love life will be coming towards you. People around you might be interested, and they might propose you. If you are waiting for your partner to propose you, he might propose you for you, for marriage or relationship. Your crush, I can see a communication with your crush, and reconciliation with your ex, those kind of communication that I can see, and that is a very healthy kind of communication that I can see. Also, the end of October, I can see lots of friendship and celebration, those kind of thing happening to you. You might celebrate with long locks friends, families, and lots of celebrations, lot of joy, happiness is coming towards you. I think you are going to have a really breakthrough and few bright kind of October month that I can see, Cancer, for you. So I hope this gives you a rough idea how your month of October will go. I love you all. Bye bye. I will see you in next video. Mwah. Hello my Scorpios, how are you? So I am here with a video for how will your month of October will go. So we will check it out. I will put one card for each of the weeks. So let's see, Scorpio, how will your month of October will go. Okay. Okay, lots of abundance is coming towards you, Scorpio, that I can see. So I can see Queen of Pentacles is here. So lots of abundance will be coming towards you, and finally you deciding upon what is your value, and you working upon or acting upon that to your self-care, self-love, and self-valuation, that I can say. And you're taking some stand in the second of week. Whatever situation you're facing, whatever situation you are going through, you're finally going to take some action and stand for yourself, which is very good. I can see lots of options there, but they are not actually working for you, and you are going to take those action. Lots of burdens have been put towards you, and you are going to say no, no burden no more. I am going to take what is mine, and I'm going to take the charge of my life. That is what I can see. Also, I can see in the third week of October, you're going to again rebuild something, and again trying to plan some ideas, and working towards your passion, and working something upon your future and stuff like that. So you might get deviated from two decisions. Whatever you're doing really good, but also you want to make some decisions which will affect you in long term, and I can see you working upon that. I can see and third week last week or last week of October, I can see lots of communication is happening towards you, and you are going to get some knowledge upgradation, which is very good for you. And through social media, you want to enroll in some course, or some communication will be coming towards you through social media. You're going to use the social media, social platform very very wisely, my Scorpios. So I hope you liked this video. It might help you or will help you in towards like how you're going to plan your. So if you like this video, please share with your friends, your Scorpio friends, and please comment down below. And I love you all. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hey my Pisces, how are you? So we will check upon how your month of October will go. I will pull one card each for each week. So let's see how your month of October will go. Okay. I can see Pisces, you're working really hard and you're working towards your passion, and you keep doing upon that. You're going to work upon your passion. You're going to value yourself. You're going to take care of your body. You're going to wear good clothes. You're going to go shopping. You're going to prioritize yourself, which is really good. You're going to put yourself into a position where people will see upon you, or look up to you and value you. That I can see in the first week of October, or second week of October. I can see you like working really hard, focusing on your work. I can see lots of ideas that you have and passion. Now that you have decided upon, you're going to chase your passion. You're going to work really hard for that. That I can see. Also, third week of October, I can see lots of good communication is coming towards you. Wealth, abundance, and self-valuation, self-care. That all that you have put in the month of first week of October will give you some good results. People will notice you. People will appreciate you. People will admire you, beauty and charm. Especially if you're a girl, people will love you. If you are waiting for the conceive news, or you want to conceive, this month of October might be the month for you. You might conceive as well. So let's see. And in month of last week of October, I can see lots of celebration. You're going to take care of yourself. You're going to celebrate by yourself. Something you're going to get which you want to celebrate by yourself, and you want to celebrate the if not, you're going to celebrate the beauty of life and joy, and just being alive. That I can see lots of positivity and good things are coming towards you. You should focus on your passion. You should prioritize yourself, and you should definitely work hard for that. And if you do that, all the things that I've said will definitely come to you. I promise that. So I hope this video that might resonate with you and you like it. If you like it, please share with your Pisces friends and comment down below if you like it. And if you want to put some suggestion, you can put that as well. I will see you in the next video. I love you all, my Pisces. Bye. Gemini, how are you? So this is a video for month of October. How will your month of October will go? Let's check it out. I will pull one card for each of the week. Okay. So let's see how things are for you, Gemini. I can see you have lots of burden in your life, and you are really waiting for some communication, want something that you want to get some clarity out of the situation, whatever situation you're facing. When that might be in job life, that might be in your love life as well. But you want some clarity towards you. So in month of October, that I can see in the first week of October, you are searching through that, some hidden news and some idea. You might get some idea out of it, and that might help you, find more clues for those, dig deeper in the situations to find out the truth that you're seeking for. In second week of October, I can see in total your dream is coming towards you. You're going to manifest something, or some manifestation is coming towards you, and which is very good. Congratulations. Third week of October, I can see lots of burden, lots of, you might get very good outcome, or some good responsibility, additional responsibilities, and stuff like that, that will enhance your job, and enhance your burden. So you might feel you might have to overwork, or you have to juggle between different work and your personal professional life, that I can see, and you are struggling in that. So you should prioritize your task. That is advice I can give you. And last week of October, I can see something you're deciding upon, something, finally realizing that something you need, and that realization that is you're waiting for very long. You will finally you will get that, and you will finally reaching into a conclusion that you need to from the very beginning. So by the end of October, I can see situation working into your favor, so that you can finally decide upon the situations you are stuck. So okay, I hope it helped you. I hope it's resonated with you. If you like this, please share with your other Gemini friends, that might help them as well. And if you like to comment something, please comment below. And I will see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye. Hey Libra, how are you? So this is the May reading of month of October. We will see how your month of October will go, and I will pull one card for each week. So let's see how your month of October will go. Okay. Okay, so Libra, I can see totally you are focused on your love life and emotions and family matters, that I can see. Month of 1st October will bring you some harmony and lots of celebration, those kind of thing in your family, in your love life. You will be celebrating with your partner. If you are arguing with you might, reconcile with him, or just solve the problems you have between each other. And second week of October, I can see you are going to use your finances wisely. Finally, you are pre-planning or planning something, how you can save more money, and how you can invest in future, how can you invest those money. So for that, you are going to make up some plan, or use your finances very wisely, which is very good. Also Libra, I can see in the third week of October, you're juggling between your personal and professional life. You are really struggling between them. You cannot decide upon which thing you should prioritize right now, and your professional life actually really needs some more attention, and you will be struggling for that. Last week of October will bring you lots of joy in your love life. If you're waiting for your ex reconciliation, that is going to happen for you, Libra. If you're waiting for your husband to call you, if you do not have any communication, that is going to happen for you. He will finally decide upon to choose you. If you are in a third party relationship, he or she will be going to choose you for that matter. And finally, your partner or your crush realizing that how valuable you are, and something, good communication on something that is going to happen. If you are single, you're going to meet someone who might be the one for you. So that is the reading for you, my Libra. I will see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye. Hey curious, how are you? So let's see how your October month will go. I will pull one card for each of the week. Now let's see how your month of October will go. Okay, I can see lots of success is coming towards you. Really working for something. You're really working, like you're trying to balance out your love life, your career as well. You are finally deciding upon you should choose your career. So first week of October, you're going to talk about your family. You want to whatever career decision you want to make, you want to talk to them and convince them. And finally, I can see they are really getting convinced with your approach and your thing. Lots of harmony is coming towards you, that I can see. Second week of October, I can see some promotion or some upgradation in your job life or life, that I can see lots of appreciation is coming towards you. Some of you might get some money raise or pay raise as well. And third week of October, I can see lots of success is coming towards you. Maybe you're working really hard on a project, you have put lots of efforts, and you're going to get succeed in that. And that is, I can see, last week of October, I can see you're juggling between so many ideas that might come after your success. You will handle, you might not be grounded for that. So that is what I want to warn you, because you need to be very grounded. Otherwise you will mess up your this beautiful success and beautiful things that is universe is giving you. So beware from that. Other than that, the month of October will go very bright and prosperous and happily happening, that I can see luck, success, money, authority, harmony, all the things, you just name it and you have it. That is what I can see for you, Curious. So I hope this helped you to how you want to plan your uh, October month. If you like this video, please share with your curious friends as well. If you want to say something, please write down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye. So this is the reading for the month of October. How will your month of October will go? I will pull one card each for each of the weeks. So let's see how your month of October will go. Okay. Okay. So I think this month of October will you are going to take stand for you, Taurus. So you are going to take lots of stand for you. You are going to be very harshly coming towards people around you, because you want to put them into their place, because you are not taking any kind of their bad attitude. You have done with that, and you are finally deciding upon that, which is very good. Somebody I can see who are deciding upon going for a solo trip. You are going to plan some solo trip as well. Some of you will go on a solo trip, or start some you have some business ideas which you are going to take some actions, which is solo kind of thing. For the second week of October, I can see, Taurus, some good love opportunities coming towards you. If you're single, definitely you're going to get some, you're going to meet some new girl or new boy who will flatter your heart. So that I can see lots of flirting and stuff like that that's happening for you, which will give you lots of happiness. And if you're married or you are in a relationship, that is going to be more enhanced, and you're going to do something, spend some time together, which will bring you more happiness, which that I can see. In third week of October, I can see appreciation is coming towards you. Finally, you are deciding upon taking the stand, and holding your ground, which is very good for you. And finally, in the last week of October, I can see you're choosing your passion. You're walking really fiery kind of thing. Lots of energy. Lots of ideas, passion. You're going to work, and you're going to take snatch away the success from the universe. So that is what I can see for you, Taurus. So congratulations in advance. I hope you like this, and it will help you to plan your future month, and it will help you for the month of October. And if you like it, please share with your all Taurus friends. And if you want to say something, please write down in comments. I will see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye. Hey my Virgos, how are you? So we will see how month of October will go. I will pull one card each for each week. So let's see how this month of October will go for you, my Virgos. Okay. I can see you are really waiting for some communication, and you are working really hard. Finally, you are deciding upon this month of October, first week of October, that you need a rest, and you need to set back and start fresh. And you're going to do that. You're going to prioritize your health, your mental health, and also you're going to take some break you're working on. And you might get into might plan some holidays or some short trips, that I can see, which is very good for you, Virgo. Second week of October, that I can see lots of money is coming towards you. Money is also abundance, and appreciation is also coming towards you. You're going to dress really well. People going to appreciate you for your dressing sense, and how you do not like how you are individual, and your individuality will reflect upon your dressing sense and whatever you are going to do. And people around you will appreciate for that fact. And finally, I can see you're going through a rough phase. You're working really hard, and that rough phase is coming towards end, that I can see in the third week of October. So something good will happen to you. So congratulations on that. And fourth week of or last week of October, I can see some new opportunity is going to come right under your nose, which you might miss. So you should be very alert and pay attention to the details in the month of October, because there is definitely a huge opportunity is coming towards you, which is like God or universe gifted, and you're really waiting for that. So you should pay attention to the details, and you should not let any stone unturned. So you should focus on that and check upon, and even if it's a small possibility, you should just see, or opportunity, you just see and see the possibilities that can bring it for you. So Virgo, this is the reading for you. I hope this will help you to plan your month of October, and if you like it, share with your Virgo friends as well. And if you want to say something, comments down below. I will see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye. Hey my Capricorn, how are you? So today we will see how your month of October will go. So first what I will do, I will pull one card each for each of the weeks. So let's see how your month of October will go. It will help you to plan in advance. Okay, so I can see lots of reconciliation with your family in the starting month of October, first week of October. Lots of celebration. You know, you're going to spend your lots of money. You know, to your child. If you have children or child, you're going to spend money upon them, or your parents or your family members. You're going to spend more money on them, and you're going to be really happy about it, because whatever gifts and stuff you're going to spend upon this money, they are going to appreciate you for that. Second week of October, I can see you might juggle in between work life and friends, family, those kind of situations. I can see you juggling. You really want to be part of both, and then again, both of the aspect of your life will be much more demanding. So you will be like, I cannot give both of you the time, so let me be myself. Something like that is going to happen. Finally, third week of October, I can see you're getting some relaxation, and you're going to celebrating the joy of life, and celebrating a lots of stuff. You know, lots of I can see lots of candles and stuff. You know, you're spending some self pampering that we call. You're going to do that as well, and you're going to dress really good. You're going to, you know, people will appreciate your dressing sense and stuff. And last week of October, I can see some communication is going to happen for you. If you are waiting for new job opportunity, or if you have given some interviews and you're waiting for a communication, if you're waiting for a communication from your friends or your ex, any sort of communication that is you're really waiting for, that is going to happen for you, Capricorn. So I hope this will help you, you know, planning of your October, and I hope it resonated with you, your current situation as well. So if you like this video, please share with your Capricorn friends and other friends as well. And please, if you want to say something, please write down in the comment section, and I will definitely try to reply you. I will see you in the next video, Capricorn. I love you all. Bye bye.